it's Issa here with Best Custom Screens. It's a beautiful day today and a wonderful time to show you how to install your economy sliding screen door. The following tools are required to install the sliding screen door: Phillips screwdriver, metal putty knife or flathead screwdriver, cordless drill with Phillips bit, and a pencil. Let's get started. Step 1. Attach plastic track guides to the top of the right side of the frame, and then to the left side. Take your sliding screen door and carefully insert the top wheel and frame up into the top U-channel. Then use your putty knife or flathead screwdriver to lift lower wheels over the bottom track. If wheels do not raise, then use the Phillips head screwdriver to turn the set screw, clockwise or counterclockwise, to adjust the wheel on side of the frame. Slide wheels and bottom frame onto the bottom track. Step 2. Optional. Use silicone spray or Aluma-Lube on the bottom track and wheels for smooth sliding. Step 3. Set J-hook for latch. You will need the cordless drill. The J-hook, self-drilling screw, and track guides are provided and packed onto the black latch in a clear plastic bag. Remove it. Mark the frame where the metal latch is located. Then mark the frame where the J-hook is going to mount. Install the J-hook with provided screws. Adjust if needed. Test the screen door to make sure everything works. Thank you for choosing Best Custom Screens, the company that shields your windows and doors.